Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to build the number blocks 1 to 10. We have these face stickers, glue, and the blocks. Let's build number block 1. Let's take one red block. Here's the glue. And now let's put on the face. And here is number block 1. I am 1. Look. Now let's build number block 2. We need 2 orange blocks. Let's put on number block 2's face. And now it's done. Here is number block 2. Now let's build number block 3. We need 3 yellow blocks, and for the first sticker piece, we're going to put on the glue. Let's get it off my finger and put it onto the block. Now for the second sticker piece, we're going to put on the glue now, and we're going to stick it onto the block, just like this. And here is number block 3. Now let's build number block 4. We're going to build number block 4 in a square shape. For the first eye, we're going to put it on like this. And now we're going to put on number block 4's mouth. Here's number block 4. Now let's build number block 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put on number block 5's face. And now it's done. Here is number block 5. Now let's build number block 6. We need 6 blocks to do this. We're going to put on the faces. Now we're going to put on the dots. And here is number block 6. Now let's build number block 7. We need 7 blocks. Let's find a nice clean block. Yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. We're only going to use the violet block for number block 7. Let's put on the face. And here is our number block 7. And let's build number block 8. We're going to build number block 8 in the 4x2 rectangle. Let's put on the face for number block 8. And here is number block 8. Now let's build number block 9. Number block 9 is 3 colors, 3 shades of grey. Light grey, medium grey. And this grey is very dark. It's dark grey. We're going to build 9 in a square. Let's put on the face for number block 9. Let's slide this a bit down and stick it on. And here is number block 9. Number block 9 is 3 by 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 3 square is 9. And let's build 10. We're going to put on the blocks right now. Now we need to swap them. And now let's put on the mouse. And here is number block 10. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. 1, 2, 10. Number blocks 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,